Hello everybody, my name is TipFox, welcome to my channel. And in this video I wanna be with you live on the DTube token sale. Originally I didn't have the plan to buy tokens, but fortunately Ferdi, aka Hauptmann, got no time to buy his tokens, so he gave me a really big amount of Steem I am able to use to buy tokens with you together here, so you can see how it looks, how it feels to buy DTube coins. So let's switch to this screen here. It's so cool, it's so professional. Originally I wanted to have a big popcorn show here with a lot of people in the background, but I got no friends. No, I'm just kidding. And I just need to bridge the time here. 20 seconds. I got 18 seconds to talk with you about the DTube forum in Hamburg 2020 from the 15th until the 17th of May. Ticket price 20 euros or $20. But now let's get into that. 3, 2, 1, go. Buy DTC now. Round is not open yet. Please wait. Oh my god. It's not open yet. Please. It's pretty exciting, I guess, for you to watch me clicking this refresh button. But here you can see how it is, you know. This, I'm not the only one doing this now, I guess. So let's refresh the page. I hope the server is stable and won't crash over this video or this token sale. And if, I hope the team is prepared. Oh my god. Okay, I will log in here. And of course I will lay over some nice GIF here now, so you can't see anything going on my screen. I'm really happy that I'm not streaming live. Log in. Okay, now you can watch again. Germany. We are in Germany. Where are we? Germany. My contact email is something I need to blur out again. My full name is not really secret. My address is really secret. So like this, I have read and agree. I'm acting with the authority of Hauptmann. So DTC amount, oh my god, final price. He told me he gave me 500 euros. Okay. So Ferdi said I should do it, so I'm doing it. It looks that it is on the mainnet, so not today. It will be on the mainnet. Buy with Steem. We will take this. Pay with keychain. Of course, with keychain, I love this add-on. To DTube. Yeah, confirm. Boom. Broadcasting transaction to the blockchain. What? Successfully. So we bought over 5,000 DTube coins for around 3,300 Steem, which is pretty cool. Please wait after validating. Your payment processing can take up to 2 minutes. Okay. So let's wait for it and check our wallet. It should be, yeah, it should be gone already. So we transferred everything to DTube. Let's check this. This is taking a little bit of time. until it is displayed here, but you know. Okay, but this means those DTC are not available now, in my opinion. As far as I know, DTube is not in the mainnet now, yet, but it will be soon. So yeah, we got transferred everything to DTube. So this is everything, I guess. Ferdi, thank you for this awesome experience. It feels really good to invest around $500 for DTube coins. And I'm really optimistic and positive about this cryptocurrency. I am really. And I hope that we will drink a cola or a mate in Hamburg at the DTube Forum 2020 from the 15th until the 17th of May 2020, so 2020 in Hamburg, Germany. We will have an awesome weekend, and if everything is going good, DTC will go to moon and we will have a party and we will sleep everyone in the Hilton Hotel, and you know. Thanks for watching, my friend. I hope this was kind of an experience for you to watch me buying for Ferdi, aka Hauptmann, the DTube coins. And I know we see us back soon. Have a nice weekend. Peace.